that.
So this is a wood graining tool. It's got these circles on here, and when you push it across the surface of the board, if you rock the wood graining tool back and forth, it creates a wood grain. It doesn't work quite as good on a skateboard because of the convex shape. If it was a flat surface, it's easier to use. So I've got this. This is a latex acrylic paint, and I've already thinned it out. And I'll just put a light coat of paint on the board. It's easier to work with oil because oil dries slower, but then you'd have to wait for it to dry. See what I mean? You see how see what I'm talking about? But you still have a wood grain there.
Yeah, you do.
But the wood grain is only hitting at that first kind of an inch. If it was a flat surface, it would make a smoother. You want to even try it?
Yeah, I'll try.
Okay.
Can I try first?
Here, let Jack try it first. What I'm going to do is just, I'm going to brush it right in.
Yeah.
Now take it.
I sort of like it layered.
Okay,
like
you want to leave it?
that.
Do whatever you want.
Can I
Let's do
just
one
do-
more.
You going to leave it?
Yeah, I like that.
I think it looks good.
Now it's my turn.